Today I'd like to talk about 4 paid tutorials that I bought on Udemy. In fact, I have bought 25 tutorials on Udemy, 11 on WingFox, and 2 tutorials on Domestika. Judging from my experience, I'm pretty sure those 4 tutorials that I'm going to introduce now will significantly improve your Blender skills if you are in beginner and intermediate level. First one is creating 3D environments in Blender. I remember that this is my first paid tutorial right after taking Blender Guru's Donut tutorial on YouTube. This series is designed for someone who has never used Blender before, but the intermediate level modeler who is looking for environment tutorial can also enjoy this course. The big advantage of this course is the techniques of modeling nature assets explained in this course, such as grass, tree, terrain, and building, are really easy to apply any project that you plan to create. This tutorial takes over 40 hours to complete whole contents. Some people may be worried that whether you can complete the whole contents or not. Well, actually I did. But I would like to say that don't feel too much pressure on it. This tutorial is divided into a few sections to complete several artworks such as grass landscape, farmhouse, castle scene, and so on. Each artwork takes about 3 to 8 hours, so you can choose some sections that you're really interested in. In addition, I can feel the tutor has a really positive mind that offering up-to-date information to viewers. When I bought this tutorial in 2020, it was designed for Blender 2.8 users. But now this course is updated for 3.2 users and explains some of fresh techniques such as geometry nodes. Second one is spiders and insects creation from scratch. This tutorial is made for modeling insects, especially spider. You will be able to learn the fundamental techniques of modeling insects, but also any polygon character modeling, such as UV unwrapping, rigging, and animation. Even you can learn the whole skills that I mentioned. It takes only 8 hours to go through the whole process from modeling to animation. The instructor providing this course also uploads various tutorials on Udemy, such as Environment Scene, Sci-Fi Assets, Blender Complete Guide series for absolute beginners, and so on. Actually, I bought his Complete Guide series too, and it was really useful as well as his spider tutorial. Third one is 3D prop creation in Blender and Substance Painter. This course is to create Pokédex in Blender and texturing in Substance Painter. Personally, the biggest advantage of this course is that it takes only 3 hours from modeling to rendering. In my experience, if you try to follow the whole content of a tutorial, it's pretty natural that taking about 3 times longer than the hours of lectures. So in this case, it takes only 3 hours, so you'll complete this course in a week if you spend 1 or 2 hours each day. This will help you to gain experience of completing one project. And based on this experience, you will get more motivation at creating another artworks. This course uses Adobe Substance Painter for texturing. As you know, Blender can do texturing in Shader tab, but it's actually difficult to understand the mechanism of how it works. On the other hand, Substance Painter is much more easier to create realistic texture. So I take this, the instructor decided to use Adobe to let us know how the process of texturing is interesting and fun. And the last one is Sci-Fi weapon design in Blender. This tutorial is made for modeling 2 sci-fi guns. The creators who produced this course are also Blender YouTuber, having tens of thousands of subscribers. They have a lot of teaching skills based on uploading hundreds of tutorials on YouTube. So I was quite sure that they will provide what I was looking for when I bought this course. This course has over 30 hours length. Of course you can complete whole series, but if you want to know the basic techniques as soon as you can to move on to your own project, it might be one of the options that modeling just one gun that you're interested. I actually had no idea that how to model gun in Blender, but thanks to this course, I feel that the modeling gun becomes much more easier to do. Okay, so that was my 4 tutorials that I would like to recommend. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you guys. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.